Do you know your smart TV has a hidden parental control features that most people never use? Whether you want to block certain channels, lock specific apps, or prevent kids from accessing adult content, I'm going to show you best parental control hacks that works. Why parental controls matter? Smart TV are more than just for watching movies. They are connected to the internet, filled with apps, and some kids can get access to content that are not meant for them. That is where parental controls comes in. By setting up PIN codes and lock settings, you can keep your TV safe from the whole family. To access parental control on this Hisense TV, all you need to do is to locate settings and select system. Then you will see parental control and click on it. Here you can set a 4-digit PIN. All you need to do is to type in your 4 preferred digit numbers, then confirm. Then you click on the locks to turn on the lock system. And now we have the control options: block time, channel block, content block, input block, app block, website block. Here is a quick breakdown of those TV parental control options. 1. Block time. This lets you set specific hours when the TV can't be used. For example, late night viewing. Channel block. This resists access to selected TV channels so kids can watch them. And we have content block. Block shows movies by rating. For example, PG-18+, 13, 14, 15. It filters age inappropriate content. Now we have input block. This disables certain inputs like HDMI, USB, and AV, so kids can connect external devices like consoles or flash drives. Here we have the app block. Resist access to specific apps like YouTube, Netflix, or browsers. And we have the website block. Block or resist browsing of specific websites when using the TV's internet browser. This way parental control covers time, content, apps, channels, devices, and online access. And that is it. Your TV is now safer, smarter, and more family friendly. If you find this smart TV parental control hacks useful, hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more hidden TV tweaks.